We all know we want to apply continuous improvement to operations, but where do you get started? Now, the obvious answer to this is Pareto analysis, which, is kind of the 80-20 rule. 80% of your issues are caused by 20% of the causes, right? Or various other formulations of the same. But that just begs the question, what is that 20%? And it's really hard to figure that out because you already have a busy team. You all don't have the time. You don't have the resources to go and spend your time on analysis because you're busy trying to just keep things from, catching fire. So we have this new product, Incident Insights, that's free, that will, in 2 minutes, pull data from your incident management tool and start applying unsupervised learning to that. What do I mean by unsupervised learning? I mean, you don't have to label anything. It basically is reverse engineering the patterns that were used to generate the subjects of your incidents and generating the regular expressions to cluster them together. And then you basically then get a clear sense of how many things happen that are in each cluster, how much time was spent in each cluster. And that tells you which alarm should I turn off, which alarms need their thresholds changed, which alarms are just noisy and sometimes are really long because someone needs to do something, sometimes are really short. And how do I disambiguate that through the process of figuring out how to turn a lightweight, a imprecise alarm like CPU is high into a precise alarm like CPU is high, and it's the JVM process, which I can automatically fix, or CPU is high, but everything is just fine because the response rate is good, the latency is good, it's just that I have a lot of requests. Or CPU is high and I don't know what's going on, but it's impacting my response rate, so I better get someone to take a look at this thing. So those are all different ways to move your system to remove noise, increase signal, get a more productive team, and reduce your costs by reducing your toil. Did I mention it was free? 2 minutes, you can get started and try it out.